Okay, here we go. Welcome back. I haven't done a video in a while, maybe a year and a half. About a year ago I got this package from Lock with some locks, and I appreciate that. When I got it I picked most of them, but I didn't do any videos because I was short on time. Let's try it. So let's see what we have here. Some cylinder thing, and another one. This is Sergeant. And this, two of these, maybe arrows or key and knob things. I got this Medico. Haven't picked this one though, because it's kind of impossible, for me at least. And a padlock, 50mm Viro, and a bunch of keys. So let's try some of this. Maybe let's go with a padlock. That's the key. And that's the keyway. Okay. Let's see what we can do. Move it up a bit. Alright. Tension bar. That should do it. And I'll try a Euro hook. Let's see what we got. Got some spools. All set. Click. Number one. Deeper fall set. Number two. And there we go. Alright. So that's the Viro. In Italy. Lock. I appreciate it. Thank you very much for the box or locks. I'll continue making videos. Alright. Thanks for watching, and see you later.